So this is really ideal if you want to actually have your own sort of website. So there's a few different options, like our program builds it for you, which uses WordPress, but then you might go with GoDaddy, or the other one is called Wix. So this is ideal if you're wanting this type of products. There's quite a lot of good themes in here. You can log in, or you can just go ahead and just get Thrive Suite. If you click there, the link will be in the description, and then here it's telling you a wee bit about it. So a lot of people, or certain people, like to get it yearly. So I know certain people like that. They just want to go all in, as they say. You do save $300, so that's yearly, basically, as a one-off payment, and that's it. And you don't pay, well, we say monthly, but quarterly. So from what I understand, that's every three months. So we'll just look at yearly. So the suite is quite really comprehensive, what you're getting here, which we'll learn more about in a minute. So this is all the stuff that you're getting, and you can use up to 5 websites, 24 support, and access to the Thrive University. So they're not just taking your money, they're showing you how to build a website. So you can go ahead and just do that, and then here is a free webinar. You can get your spot here. You just enter in your email, oops, that come up there, and then you just go ahead and do it. So let's learn a wee bit more about it. They've got a wee video for us to watch and to listen. So Thrive Suite, the WordPress marketing toolkit to build and grow your online business at drag and drop speed. So you may be an affiliate marketer like myself on Instagram on different methods, but you might just think, I want to one method, traffic method. I want just to have my own website. But you put your website on Google and think, well, what's next? I'm not getting any traffic because I don't know how to do it. Well, this is a tool for you, and it's even got training, their own university. So let's take a watch and a listen, and we'll come back in a few minutes.
You are an online entrepreneur. You have a business to run, and you don't have time to code or design. You choose a WordPress website to get clients and sell your products, not to deal with a team of developers or designers. But it seems the alternative is to cobble together WordPress plugins with a bunch of expensive third-party tools. This makes you feel overwhelmed and frustrated whenever the tools don't play nice together or simply don't work. And rightfully so. The internet is 30 years already. Any toolkit that makes it difficult to build a high-converting website should now be written off as an insult to your online business. That's exactly why we created Thrive Suite. It's the most effective all-in-one toolbox for building a high-converting WordPress website fast. With the tools included in Thrive Suite, you can customize your WordPress website theme down to the smallest detail. Create gorgeous high-converting landing pages and sales funnels, grow your email list with stunning and fully customizable opt-in forms, win even higher quality leads with the segmentation power of quizzes, and A/B test every single detail in your funnel. Simply put, Thrive Suite gives you every tool necessary to build and grow your online business at drag and drop speed. Thrive Themes was born out of a desire to help small business owners thrive in the internet era. We believe technology should serve you, not the other way around. In fact, we've already spent years building tools to help online solopreneurs like you succeed, because supporting your success online is our mission. And when it comes right down to it, as a bootstrap business ourselves, you know we're on your side, because we only succeed when you do. To give you a small taste of what's possible with our toolkit, just listen to some of our customers describe their own online achievements using Thrive Suite.
Hi, Tobias here. And yeah, I've been using Thrive Themes for quite a while now, I think for 2 to 3 years.
So there you go, there's a wee snippet inside it, and then that's called a call to action button. That's also the business knows about. If you click there, it's another opportunity for them to sell what they're offering. So it's a kind of WordPress tool, but they're actually training you as well. So you've got some of the I don't see their page loading up too well, it's not fast enough. So that's it there, and then you can have the free webinar if you're not convinced with that and you don't want to get Fry's Suite just now. You can go in their webinar and you save 85%, and then let's go down to the bottom here. So this is some of the questions that people are asking. Can I use this to build my blog? Is it a subscription? Do you offer refunds? And sort of really specific questions. Perhaps people have WordPress website and they're just asking, can you implement a lot of these things? So they've got quite a lot of links in here. They've got their own affiliate program, so they've got quite a lot going on. It's not just about the one product, and then you can integrate into your autoresponder as well. So there's various ones there for you. So there's quite a lot that they're offering, and here is some of the products out with that theme builder, themes and templates. So that's like templates already done for you, page builders, course builders. So there's building professional websites. There's quite a lot in this 5 themes. It's certainly worth checking out, so certainly do that. Any issues on pricing or anything, then just shoot them an email. So take a look at the link in description. If you want a business that's much more than WordPress, something that's really special, then take a look at that also, and we'll see you there.